you ever questioned why, while you find it difficult to attract girls, some people appear to do so with ease? In actuality, attractiveness is more than just good looks or serendipity. You need to be aware of the qualities that can make you enticing. Understanding these qualities can make all the difference in a world when first impressions count for everything. By the time this video ends, you'll know the 11 characteristics that can increase your confidence and make girls fall in love with you. Number 11, outward looks. To be honest, your buddies won't object if you spend your time in old clothes, but you'll have to work a little harder if you want to make an impression on a particular woman. First, ensure that you are tidy and well-groomed. Daily shaving and showering is a wonderful place to start. It's also important to look and smell well, which means taking regular showers is essential. Next, consider your attire. It is time for you to quit taking clothes from your father or older brother. Select clothing that fits you properly. Expensive items are not necessary to look beautiful. Simple essentials like well-fitting trousers, a cozy t-shirt, a polished button-up shirt, and appropriate shoes for various settings may have a big impact. Finally, think about how fit you are. If you are overweight, make an effort to reduce your weight and gain muscle. It's sufficient to be fit enough to demonstrate that you take care of yourself, not to be extremely muscular. Getting in shape can be enjoyable when you join a fitness class or a sports team. Plus, your athletic prowess might win over a woman. The 10th is confidence. People are drawn to confidence, especially women. A self-assured man exudes charisma that is difficult to miss. It supports your self-belief and confidence in your skills. This notion manifests not only internally, but also externally in the manner that you move, speak, and engage with people. Imagine that you are at a party and you spot a gorgeous woman. You walk up and introduce yourself with a welcoming grin rather than hunkering down or feeling awkward. Maintaining eye contact allows you to have a vibrant conversation with her while displaying your confidence. This type of confidence in yourself will make her notice you and possibly even make her feel amazed. Being confident now does not require being audacious. Rather, it simply requires self-assurance. Women find it appealing because it conveys that you are steady and capable of navigating the highs and lows of life. The 9th is masculinity. One of the things that makes men most beautiful is their masculinity. Being macho in the conventional sense is not the only definition of being manly. Your energy is in harmony. Men that possess both a strong masculine side and a sensitive side are attractive to women. Every man of value strikes a good balance between his masculine and sensitive aspects. For instance, it's acceptable to cry while watching a depressing movie or to express your emotions honestly. Women value this because it demonstrates that you are at ease enough to be vulnerable with them. In fact, this may strengthen your bond. Recall that it is a misconception that women prefer strong men to weak ones. The 8th is authenticity. Being genuine is quite refreshing in a society when masks are frequently worn by people. Being authentic and not hiding who you are has a special allure that makes women gravitate toward you. They appreciate sincere people. Be the best version of yourself rather than putting on a show or attempting to be someone else. Just be unabashedly yourself. Enjoy what you are excellent at and be honest about what you are not so good at. Being truthful fosters trust and may result in closer relationships. Someone who exudes confidence and is real and true to themselves tends to be highly likable by women. Sense of humor is number 7. There is a certain power to a good chuckle, especially when it comes to luring women. A woman might immediately feel comfortable with you in bridge gaps if you have a sense of humor. Creating joyful experiences and memories that she will associate with you is the key to making her laugh. You stand out for your ability to playfully see the humorous side of life and infuse humor into ordinary circumstances. Being humorous is more than just telling dumb jokes. It's an indication of intelligence and a pleasant outlook on life. Men who can make people smile and lighten the mood tend to attract women. Laughing together may deepen your relationship and produce a happy, enduring memory. Emotional intelligence is number 6. Being sensitive to your own emotions, as well as those of others, is the essence of emotional intelligence. It involves having a strong sense of empathy, self-awareness, and excellent communication skills. Stronger emotional ties result from your ability to connect with people on a much deeper level when you master this ability. Men who can empathize with them, listen carefully, and provide support when needed are highly valued by women. Being emotionally intelligent is being able to handle difficult circumstances with composure and communicate your emotions in a healthy way. A relationship becomes closer and more trustworthy as a result, strengthening and deepening it. Ambitions are number 5. Ambition possesses a really appealing quality. A man who is determined to attain his objective and has a clear vision for the future is highly attractive to women. Ambition is a sign that you are working toward realizing your dreams rather than just daydreaming. To demonstrate your ambition, you don't need to accomplish something spectacular. It can be helpful to just discuss your passions, professional aspirations, and ongoing personal initiatives. Show her how devoted and passionate you are. Men who are encouraging and supportive are irresistible to women. They are looking for someone who can inspire them to set greater goals and make more progress in their own life. 4th, compassion. Empathy is the capacity to comprehend and experience another person's pain. A man who possesses empathy is able to truly understand the needs, desires, and feelings of a woman. She feels safe and at ease, as well as genuinely recognized and valued as a result. You have to listen to her carefully, make an effort to understand her point of view, and accept her sentiments as genuine in order to demonstrate empathy. Show a sincere curiosity about her life and the struggles she faces. By demonstrating empathy, you are creating a strong emotional bond that goes beyond just attraction. It will be difficult for a woman to resist a man who understands and validates her feelings. 3rd, restraining your lust. Any woman will find it quite offensive if you are constantly touching her, hanging out with her, or flirting excessively, especially if she is not expressing any interest. It's critical to give her the impression that she is in charge. Don't push her if she isn't ready for a kiss or greater physical contact. You can't make her fall in love with you by forcing these things on her. Instead, pay attention to her desires. Make an effort to comprehend them and show respect for them. Recall that showing her kindness and empathy will pique her attention more than exerting pressure or insisting on things. The second is mysteriousness. It's amazing how much a woman may be drawn to someone who exudes mystery. You don't always need to be available to everyone. Don't always answer calls right away or disclose all of your plans, for instance. Being truthful is admirable, but you don't have to divulge every small aspect of your life. For her, things may become more intriguing and difficult because of this sense of mystery. It also contributes to the mystery by allowing things to go slowly, particularly in the beginning phases of dating. She becomes more intrigued by you and feels more anticipation. Because mysterious men don't feel the need to divulge everything, they frequently come across as self-assured and autonomous. This has a lot of potential appeal. First on the list, financial stability. The majority of women aren't really interested in your family history or level of income when it comes to partnerships. The ability to support yourself is more important, knowing this is a comfort because not all guys are born into wealth. Prefer males. Women too prefer being given special treatment from time to time. They don't need anything extravagant, but small gestures of generosity or surprises are greatly appreciated. Thus, it would be wise to set aside some cash for periodic treats for her. Furthermore, there's no need to flaunt your money if you happen to be wealthy. In actuality, showing off your wealth can occasionally turn someone off. It is significantly more tempting to demonstrate that you can take care of things and be responsible with your finances. In conclusion, it's evident that presence and flirting aren't the only ways to impress women. Rather, a man can genuinely captivate their attention with a variety of attributes. These characteristics are crucial in capturing a woman's attention. Still, having these qualities is insufficient. The secret is to actively develop and present them. If you've made it this far, please confirm that you've learned anything from this video by leaving a comment below that says 100%. Make sure to watch the suggested video that is now displayed on the screen for more fascinating subjects. I appreciate you seeing.